Widely used in the beauty industry, facial steamer brings deep nourishment and hydration to the skin. Today, let's take a look at the features and benefits of the ionic facial steamer JY-11b and how our facial steamer can give you the perfect experience. Our facial steamer JY-11b ensures deep cleansing and relaxation. Easy to operate, 2 on-off adjustment buttons with a preset 30-minute timer simplify your beauty routine. In fact, the core part of facial steamer includes the water tank. JY-11b is compatible with all kinds of water quality, be it tap water, distilled water, pure water, or mineral water, which is versatile and convenient to ensure versatility. The facial steamer's removable spray arm allows for compact packaging, perfect for storage and transportation. It also includes an aromatherapy nozzle that enhances the overall experience. Its ultra-smooth, noiseless wheels make it easy to use in transport. So how do you assemble a facial steamer? JY-11b. First, connect the water tank to the steam nozzle. Then install the heating element to the bottom of the tank. Please note that you should follow the instructions in the manual when installing to ensure safety and effectiveness. Whether you are a salon owner or spa operator, facial steamer, JY-11b is ideal for enhancing your services. In order to let more customers experience our products, we provide free samples. Welcome to contact us for trial. In addition to facial steamer JY-11b, we offer a wide range of styles and functionalities of facial steamer for both daily skincare and professional care. And we provide excellent after-sales service. After packaging, the facial steamers will be shipped to salons and spas around the world through a fast logistics system. Our vaporizers have helped countless customers enhance their skincare experience. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or needs about facial steamer, subscribe to our channel for more information. See you next time.